In this video, you will learn how to map the XML parameters with WooCommerce product fields. Start with the product title. From the right side, drag and drop the XML tag containing the product name. Do the same with the product description. You may add multiple tags and inner values of the tags. Also, you can add your own text in the description using the text editor and its elements. Next, go to the product data box. It's similar to the one you use in WooCommerce. You may choose to import products as simple or variable. I'll tell you about variable products later on. Start with general settings. Choose tags for price and sale price. You may also enter the fixed value. Modify the price by using modifiers. Add percentage value or add fixed value and the value for the modifier. Next, choose the tax status and tax class for imported products. You may choose one tax class or use the tax class mapper. It's helpful if the feed contains products with different tax rates. First, drag and drop the tag of the XML file with tax rates values to the tax class field. Then, choose the WooCommerce tax class on the left and enter the value of the XML tag on the right. You may add more such pairs. Now, go to the Inventory tab. Here you'll find settings for stock management. Choose the XML tag for SKU, the unique identifiers for products. The plugin uses SKU, or product names, to identify products when updating their data. Next, choose if you want to manage stock. If so, choose the tag for stock quantity. Other settings are similar to the ones in WooCommerce. In the Shipping tab, you may drag and drop tags for product weight and its dimensions. Choose the shipping class you want to group products in. This tab is hidden if you set your products to be virtual. Go to the Attributes tab if you want to add them for imported products. By default, they will be created for a specific product. If you want to create attributes for all products, check the Add Attributes as Taxonomy option. You will find such attributes in the Products Attributes submenu. Now, let's map some attributes. Drag and drop the tag with the attribute's value from the feed to the one on the right. Then choose the attribute name on the left side. If some products do not have a value in the feed, the attribute will not be added. Add more attributes in a similar way. You can delete them easily as well. Next, go to the short description. Add any tags from the XML file, add your content, and use the editor options. As for the main description, also here you have full flexibility. The Images section allows you to choose tags with URL addresses for importing images for your products. Such images will be added to the WordPress media library and to the product gallery. The first image will become the product image. Drag and drop tags with the correct URL address to images. Separate more images with the chosen separator. Check the Scan IMG tags and Import Images option if URLs of images are inside HTML tags. If URLs contain relative addresses, for example only a folder name and a file path, input the missing part before the tag. The last section is for categories. You may choose one WooCommerce category for imported products. Also, you may want to map categories. If you do, first decide if the import will work only for products from mapped categories. And if you want that, the plugin creates new categories during the import process automatically. Then, drag and drop from the XML data view the tag with the category. If the file has more than one category, you may enter more tags here separated by a comma. Now, choose the WooCommerce product category on the left and the value of the XML tag on the right. You may also add and delete additional pairs. The plugin allows you to import, create, and update variable products as well. All other sections work in the same manner as for a simple product. You may define additional settings in the Variants tab in the Product Data section. Here, you can decide the way for a plugin to work for variants. The first option is right if products have the same name. There is also a checkbox if all variants have additionally the parent product. The next one is appropriate for products using the same SKU of the main product. The third option is useful if variable products and the parent product have different IDs. So you choose here the tag that links variable products and the tag with the same value in the parent product. In the last option, you choose the tag with the product's ID, the same for the parent and the variable products. Also, if variants have a parent product in the file structure, select the checkbox. When all fields and values are set, go to the next step.